Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your DBS Bank account. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up any web browser as I have already opened the Microsoft Edge and bring up the search bar and type in DBS Bank login and hit the search. Make sure it takes you to the official link internetbanking.dbs.com. Click on that link. Now you'll be directly taken to the login page of DBS Bank. Over here you just need to enter your user ID. Similarly, enter your PIN over here. If you want to see your PIN or confirm your PIN, just click on I icon to see your PIN. And once you click on login button, you will easily access your account. In case if you forgot your ID or PIN, just click on forgot user ID or PIN to recover your user ID or PIN. If you want to see the frequently asked questions, just click on frequently asked question to see the questions. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.